Third night. Kasi ate pa pala ito. Third night ng gawain ngayong gabi. Pero bago magawain ay salo-salo muna ang isang pamilya. Ayan. Si Mama Puring ay aming kasama. Namimiss ka Ate Akil. Sabihin mo. Akil. Sobrang miss ka na nun. Hi Akil. Sabihin mo.
Sinabi nila.
Hi Akil.
Hello.
Yan.
Kamusta kayo, Ben?
Ganon. Okay. Sarap na aming ulam. Pinangat at mais na ginisa.
Pati kaya sirap eh.
Yan. Okay. Si mama mo? Dahil papunta dito?
Ano po, nasa overnight.
Overnight. Okay. Alaala ng mga anak at manugang.
Papa ko yan.
Win, Ricky and Link, Ever Enjoy, Edgar and Rona, Jane and Randy, Lil and Pabling, si Lynn and Sir Chusi, kapatid at mga apo. Bale guys, hindi na sinabi mga apo kasi sobrang dami, hindi kakasya. Okay, diba Janine? So understood na yun na nandun. Okay. Ang daming mga ang daming mga chikiting. Okay, maybe 5 minutes ay mag-start na ang gawain. Okay.
Maxine!
Bali ang MC namin ngayong gabi si Ate Pangit. Walang iba kundi si Ate Pangit. Okay. So mamaya magagawain dito. Ito naka-prepare na po mga bangko. Yun, may kape po doon. And ito naman yung ating sound system sa pangunguna ni Kuya Liit. Ayan. At dito yung kompleto ng gamit dito. Ayan. May Bluetooth ba yan?
Meron.
Okay. Kakanta ako.
Anong pwede?
Kakanta ako.
Kaya magagitara.
Hello, sound check.
Kailan pa ibibigay? Sige, go.
Kakantahin niya natin.
Okay, go.
Dali.
Ano ba yan? Live ba? Jared, bigyan mo muna ako. Ang buhay mo't lakas sa kanya na nagbigay. Lord, wag naman sanang umulan kasi walang bubog ni aming sound system.
I-relocate. Ano lang dun, dalhin lang yun dun. Pag umulan talaga.
Hindi, -1 pwede?
Pwede.
Pwede? Okay, go. Wait lang.
Panika dito.
Sige. Okay, and
Abang,
then...
sisirain ng ano.
And then Jared, you are the one who are going to hold my phone and film me while I am singing. Lagyan mo ka na konting reverb. Reverb, may konting echo.
Sound check, hello. And then Twitter. Sound check, hello, mic test. Kailan pa ibibigay ang buhay mo't lakas sa kanya na nagbigay sa'yo ang buhay na wagas. Tama ba? Ang pangalan niyang banal, kailan itatanyag? Kung wala ng pagkakataon at huli na ang lahat. Okay, gusto na. Bibigay buhay mo. Siliit ka na.
Hindi ako marunong gitara.
Wala akong maalam ko ng gitara.
Kasama yan sa gitara.
Matagal na kasi din ng gitara.
Lalo na ako.
Nag-focus sa mga anak.
Lakas
Ben po yung mga ate ko po ang magaganda po.
nagbigay sa'yo
Ano kaya tayo? Hindi ka sabi mo, di ka?
buhay na
MC. Kuya
wagas.
din. MC pala.
MCC Ate Jillian. Ang pangalan niyang banal, kailan itatanya? Kung wala nung pagkakataon at huli na ang lahat. Unang araw mo lumipas na, bakit ba kaya siya ay paglingkuran? Kailan pa kaya maglilingkod sa'yo? Ngayon, kailan pa? Lipas na. Kaya siya ay paglingkuran? Kailan pa kaya maglilingkod sa Diyos? Ngayon, kailan pa? Yak mo na naman. Oh, -1.
Anong kanta?
Take Me Out of the Dark. Lower version. Take Me Out of the Dark.
Try ko lang ha.
Natay.
Ay, ito na yung special number ko, Ate Pangit. Tapos, ba't ka natawa? Kasi ka MC. Ba't nanay?
Tara, kakain.
Ay, parang fine. Pwede rin. Oh, Ate Pangit ha, MC ka. Dakilang, ano ba? Ano ka magandang, ayan?
Ang mga tanong ko na parang buong.
Because that song was very high and not fitted to my voice. Okay?
Aww.
And then Misha and Janine will be the one.
Ano naman galo? Ano na lang itong mayroon ka pa naman ito, marami ka pa nito.
Ha?
Kanta daw kayo para kay Lola mo naman.
That's good. Hanapin na yung lower version, lower key. Kulay blue. Malakas ang net? Ay, hindi yan. Isa pa. Isa.
Nalabas sa akin.
Yan, lower key.
First time kong kumanta ng boss. I will just although I don't siguro ako perfect, pero I will try. Just what is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go? And though you're in now, I fall and hurt you still. My love, please show me how to know just how you feel. You have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart. To lean out on my own understanding. I just forget. You won't give me what I can't get. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. Oh, you never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold you, Jesus. I'm no longer in the cold, and yet I leave you there. When I feel satisfied, I like to thank you every day. Not only when I feel the pain. I've never known a man who gave his life sinners like me. And yet because He loves us so, His promise us eternity, we can have the promise and peace. And I believe we just trust in You with all of our heart, to lean not on my own understanding. I just forgive. You won't give us what we can get. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't wanna be alone. Take us out of the dark, my Lord, we don't wanna be there. Yeah, yeah. I know. Just You with all of my heart. Lean not on my own understanding. I just forgive. You won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't wanna be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. Oh,
Sampai sunod na yun. Metro.
Ano pa?
Anong next?
Lakas pala ng bato doon. Lakas doon. Babaga na.
Yeah. Sabi na sa. Tingnan mata. Ijam mo si Tito din. Yan po sila. Yan po. Ah.
Tama ng buhok mo? Meron ka doon, oh!
Kapako. Hi, Gagaw. Hi.
Warrior naman yung bobo talaga si Warrior. Reverb. Saan ang reverb yan?
But even winners can get watered in the fight. People say that But even soldiers need a quiet place to rest. People say that I'm amazing, that I never faced retreat, but they don't see the enemies that lay me at his feet. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child.
Wala na yung pastor.
They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and look up for a smile. 'Cause deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, the warrior is a
Hindi nga ako makakanta.
Ay, ikaw na.
Ayan, kaya. Kaya lang.
Who am I that the Lord upon the earth would care to know my name, would care to feel my heart? Who am I that the bright morning star would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart? Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. Leave me fading here today and gone tomorrow. A wave tossed in the ocean, a fade away, knowing still you hear me when I'm calling. You catch me when I'm falling. When you told me who I am yours. I am yours.
Magpapatay ko pala siya.
Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow. A wind tossing the ocean, a vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling. And you told me who I am yours. Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. A flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow. A wind tossing the ocean, a vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling. And you told me who I am. I am yours. I am yours.